Hi, I'm Marty Smith with Pinpoint Tactical. I'm really excited to show you today our new bolt-on kit. We've teamed up with AR Maglock to give one of the ultimate locking systems. We've moved the original mag release. Take the AR Maglock, spring, drop it right into the position here, turn it over, drop in the mag catch, grab the set screw and the Allen and just tighten it down. When you fix it permanently, you're going to use a little bit of red Loctite. So that's installed. Now you want to install your upper receiver. Drop in the cam spring, close the receiver, slide the cam in, and tighten up your set screw. And test it. It should go down smoothly and lock. Real simple. Now sometimes there's over 100 different combinations of receivers and uppers. You might have to file fit. If you have to file fit, you're going to take this one edge right here and you're going to file this a very small amount to get it to where you have a perfect tight fit so you have no failure. I'm Marty Smith from Pinpoint Tactical. Thank you for watching.